How to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all Facebook photos at once. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on settings and privacy. And after that, just tap on settings, and here once you're inside the settings, what you can do is just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for activity log. And after that, you can just tap on activity log and you'll be prompted to the interface like this. Now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is simply scroll down and there you can just tap on your Facebook activity. And now here, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on manage post option. And here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is just tap on filters option, and after that just select category, and after that simply select your post photos and videos, and after that you can simply select all option or check in the all option, and once you're done with that you can just tap on the trash icon. And here, once you tap on it, then the photo and video will disappear from your profile. And that's it. That's how you can delete all your Facebook photos at once. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.